You go in the car? Yeah.
We are going on another road trip. This time we are driving from Amsterdam all the way to Turkey.
We will be crossing 6 countries, staying in 5 different cities, and driving almost 3,000 kilometers. Let's go.
It is close.
बहुत पैकिंग कर ली हमने. Yay.
Having a last walk with Lizzie.
Hey. यार Lizzie जा रहे हैं. आजो. Let's go. The car is packed. Lizzie is walked, and we're about to leave.
Yeah.
Are you all set? Wow,
comfy.
look at you. Yeah.
That looks comfy.
That looks very comfy. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alright, we are ready. We had to leave at 9.
But हम 1 बजे निकलते हैं.
1 बजे निकल रहे हैं.
First stop.
Nuremberg.
Nuremberg. You have to stop at 2 superchargers and it says कि हम रात 10 बजे तक वहाँ पहुँचेंगे.
Alright, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We just stopped at this petrol station. Ismail को बहुत नींद आई हुई थी, so we're getting some coffees. Bring me my coffee. Thank you.
यार तो ट्रिप शुरू तो साथ ही नींद आ गई यार मुझे. Need some coffee, man, to wake up. 8 hours to drive still.
8 hours.
Almost done the coffee. Shit.
But did it?
No, बचा तो.
Oh. फिर खैर है.
Wake up, man.
Please. Hi, Lizzie. Hey, girl. Hi.
Baby Kevin and Betty.
Cuties.
Bushies.
And in Germany.
Really? That's it?
How was that?
That was underwhelming.
I know.
They didn't even welcome us. How rude, man.
Alright, 1 country down.
You sure?
I hope so. And of course, when in Germany.
No speed limits.
So we're 9 minutes away from our destination. And we are stuck in a traffic jam. And we're hungry and we're tired.
Sleepy.
Sleepy.
Lizzie.
Lizzie, are you okay at least? No.
Sleepy too.
Plus Lizzie. Hopefully
9 more minutes.
9 more minutes.
Come on. Yeah, Lizzie, we're coming out. Right.
At our first charging stop.
Charging stop.
Charging stop. Aja Lizzie, let's come out.
Aja. Come on. Aja, can you do it? Can you do it? Alright, so the first stop in Germany, I think there are about 15 stalls to charge your car, mostly are empty. So, my stop.
Oh, बहुत भूख लगी हुई है, so we're gonna go sit somewhere, have some food, check out the bathrooms. What you doing? So we thought that the bathrooms would be there inside, but they're here. I'm hoping that they're clean. Let's see.
Go first.
Alright, I'll go first.
How is it?
Done.
Alright.
It was okay. Sauce at least.
Alright. What is it? Chutney.
We have kebabs,
Kebab.
chutney, salad, so we can
Salad.
make bun kebabs.
Keema ki patties. Thank you, Mama, for making this food for us.
Alright,
Let's go.
So, another stop, another coffee, and Ismail wants to nap.
I need a nap, man. If you want to get to Nuremberg, you have to let me sleep. It's already there.
10 minutes. Yeah, power nap. We are at the second stop. Yeah, kind of nice. Has a Burger King right next to it. I think we're just gonna stop here for 15-20 minutes.
It says 5 minutes actually.
Oh. Who's hungry? Alright, sit. Alright, good girl.
Alright, yeah, this stop is not bad. Again,
Yeah, actually nice.
a lot of charging spots.
I think these are the new ones, right?
Yeah, these are the new ones. Nice car.
Are we ready to go?
I'm ready. Is Lizzie ready?
Lizzie, are you ready?
She's fed. She went to the toilet. She did everything.
She did her business.
She did a business.
Last leg of the journey. How long is it gonna take us?
1 hour, 10 minutes.
Inshallah, inshallah, inshallah. Let's go. Alright, we made it to Nuremberg. How far is our hotel? 1 minute, alright. We're at our hotel. Lizzie, Saman,
Raining.
and it's raining. So gotta go inside. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on, Lizzie.
Acha, come on, come on, come on. Let's go. Come on, come on. Good girl.
Finally.
Man, that was a long journey.
Yeah, man.
Alright. Dude, I don't even remember the room number. 236.
Lizzie is leading the way. And the E6.
Can't wait, man. Not bad, not bad, very nice.
First impressions.
I like it. Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, one night, man, one night.
Alright, cute.
Oh my god.
Yeah, man. And here we have some storage. Oh, nice.
Hot in the room, man.
Yeah, cozy. I just don't like the light. It's too white. So we also have a balcony.
No.
Oh no. Whew, finally. We made it. Lizzie ने अपना rug ढूंढ लिया भाई. Lizzie, is that gonna be your sleeping spot?
That's comfy spot now.
Lizzie का है भाई.
That's fine.
Bye, Lizzie.
Alright.
So we're going to look for some food. We saw some nice Turkish restaurant that's still open.
Hopefully open.
Hopefully open. So we're really hungry.
Yeah, man, starving.
We're back in the car.
Navlana, 5 minutes away.
बारिश भी सही तेज होती है. Alright, let's go. I hope कि खाना अच्छा हो यार. Let's go. So, met a Pakistani guy who works here and they gave us free chai.
अपने भाई मिल गए पाकिस्तानी यार आते साथ ही. किधर से आप?
मैं सर सियालकोट से हूँ। आप लोग कहाँ से?
एम्स्टर्डम से हैं हम लोग. वैसे इस्लामाबाद से हैं.
बोला मैंने कहूँ अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।
Thank you. Allah Hafiz.
There you go, man.
Good, secure. Can't wait.
I don't know where to go from. मैं भी जैसा चल रहा हूँ जैसे कि मुझे पता ही ना है.
And we're back.
Just Lizzie now.
खाना यार.
चलो चला.
Hey Lizzie, you're very good. Let's unpack.
Oh, Lizzie. You're sorted, Lizzie. I've got bread for you.
Box.
Kebab. What a lovely guy.